Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about terrestrial habitat. Yes, as we had discussed earlier, there are two natural habitats. One is terrestrial and next is aquatic. So today first of all we will discuss about terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat means the plants that grow on land. And if we will talking about the land, a land may be plain, a land may be mountain, a land may be desert. So and they grow in that area and they are just grow some special features into their body. And now we are going to discuss some adaptive features of the plants that grows on place. Very good. That grow on plain. Do you know like the mango trees are grow on plain, or you can say shisham or peepal, neem. These are the different trees that grows on plain, that grow on plains. And plain, the temperature, the climate of the plain, it varies from hot to the cold. It varies from hot to the cold. In some plain area there is a high temperature and in some plain areas there is a cold temperature, and in each and every habitat plants have some special features which help them to survive in extreme hot conditions or in extreme cold condition. So first of all we will discuss the common structure of the plants that found on the plains. So first of all you can see this is a tree and there is a number of leaves and branches at the top of it. So that part which have a lush green leaves, number of branches, that is known as canopy. That is known as canopy. It is the green part of the plant that gives us a shadow. Very good. And after that you can see number of leaves are there, and all of you know leaves are the kitchen of a plant. It prepares the food for the plant as well as for all living organisms by capturing solar energy with the help of which pigment? Yes, you are right, chlorophyll, and through the process of photosynthesis. So leaves which are the main part of a plant, and you can see this here there is a thick trunk. You can see, so this thick trunk help them to stand the plants upright, as well as it protect them from the winter or any adverse condition. So this is the general structure of the plants found in plains, and according to different area plants have different adaptive features. Now some of the plants shed their leaves throughout the year and the new leaves are growing. So as a result they always remain green. Yes, they always remain green. That type of plants are known as the evergreen trees that always remains green. And some type of plants that they shed their leaves once in a year and mostly in winter, and after that they grow the new leaves, and that type of trees are known as the deciduous trees. So on the basis of the shedding their leaves, we can categorize the plants into two categories: evergreen trees which always remains green, and deciduous trees which once in a year they shed their leaves. And all of you know plants may be in the plains, maybe in the mountains, maybe in the deserts, maybe in the water. They are the base of our life.